that good? Need that. Remove that out. So, I want this over the enemies, but behind the GUI. That can go over everything. Should just have to update this. Oops. Okay, so that's not right. On enemies, this needs to be over that screen flash. That's the layering we need. That should update in real time. See, the idea is I don't want my full screen effects to go over my GUI, but I do want it to go over the enemies. So that's why I had to change up my layering there. And I've been playing, oh, Tofu died? Did we hit them with a spell or something? I'm gonna reload so that Tofu's alive. Yeah, looks about right. I probably want to make this semi-opaque. Looks like we need to fix some formatting there on that text box. Like the size is a little bit off. This looks pretty good. I think we probably want to have, I'll just do it instead of walking through it. Close utility. Got so many assets right now, it's kind of, it's getting really hard to keep track of everything. So we want, what, player info card. Would I move that to the GUI? I want this. I want to copy copy that value. I think. Maybe we do that. Because what we could do, we could also like set it to. Actually, I take that back. I think we're going to do that. We're going to apply that to the whole unit. So say we had, we got hurt, right? Maybe we make it red, or for like in danger, right? Could be kind of orangey. Excuse me. Anyway, I wanted to copy that. I wanted to put that in globals as a const. It's going to be const. I'm going to do it like this. Yeah. It might have to be a string. Find hex. Here we go. So it has to be a string. We don't need the hex. So then, I think what we do in here is so I'm doing that because that way I can keep it consistent if I want those to be a little bit semi-opaque. I just have to find the battle text, and that has a script so we can I think that'll be fine. So we should see the battle text semi-opaque now. Yeah, beautiful. So another thing, I've been playing, I forget if I mentioned this, but I've been playing Dragon Quest 3, the translated version on Super Nintendo. And so I've been thinking a lot about like things that I like that they do. Like for one, it saves which ability index you're on. So if I were to open that back up, it wouldn't be resetting. So I think we'll do that. We're going to have to save that into maybe the battle actor, or maybe not. Let me think. I think in the battle, let me do this. Yeah, we do, because the index is saved in the menu, and here we're overriding it to be the top one. But we want it to be something like player.spell index. So anytime I have to be updating this now. Focused. We probably do the same thing with items. So we're focusing on that button. We're saving it there. So we're just going to do that down here. Copy that, just change it to item index. And then when we go here, this is going to be, and then for items, do that. So now it should save it even when I back out. If I go to fire, will we back out? Right, it's going to stay on fire. So that's kind of nice because it's going to be per player. And so say like you have Llama on offensive, right? So that's helpful. And then Tofu might be on healing, right? And so it makes sense to keep it on that spell. Right? You're going to be at the same spot that you were last time. I'm going to try this. I wonder if minus like no, Yeah, for some reason that looks center. Might even call it war, not fix. So the game's still running, should be good. I think I want to change fire to be AoE, because that's kind of what the effect looks like. Excuse me. So our spell indexes are saved between encounters, which is nice. And I'll also do that when we're in the field menu as well. Nice. So battle's looking pretty good. What else did I want to add that? Oh, I think we want to print out the name down here of the active player. That way, it's just more readable. So we have player info cards. Those stay hidden until we need them. Where's this top menu? Bottom. Okay. I think we can squash this a bit. Oh no, I need to add, we need these. I really can't squash it too much, but it's going to be a V-box now. Paste a copy of it in there. But don't worry, that's just... Hey, Mama, no, no, no. Come on. Come on, cat. Mama, jeez. Going wild. I didn't think we need that. Let's just keep it simple. Label in there. Call this like active player. Just call that name. What we want to do is full rect and shrink center. So we can do like tofu. Of course, that's not. Maybe we don't need that if we're doing full rect. So, of course, I'm going to change the size of this. We can keep the width, but we probably want something like that. And might delete separation on this. I think we need at least a little bit. I don't know. I don't like that we're going up in that space. Which reminds me, we need to do full rect center. We need to change. Maybe not. These guys that need to shrink center. Okay, that does it. That looks about right. They're centered. We could push these, all these down a bit and up. Like we could reduce our our top and bottom margin. Yeah, I don't think we need that name. So I'll just hide it for now, and that always, oh, I did that wrong, not that one. So this one we want that to be end. So I'm gonna have to update my reference to that. So we just put it in a V box. Everything else should be fine. Or not. Let's take a look. Because I forgot to take that off. That's not a menu. We also need to put that back. I have to remove those signals first. Delete that. I don't know if I was playing around with the idea of having like a limit break. Let's see, attack. We could have a quip. Let's do that instead of limit. This isn't Final Fantasy. Alright, so we have a quip. I'm not ready to implement that run. We could probably do. So for that, we go down to options button, pressed. Oh no, in the wrong script. Actually, I think we do want that there. Because that way, if you know you're gonna run away, you can just push up and have it auto wrap. And I think equip is probably going to be what you're going to be using the least. So that makes sense to me. It's like keeping these in. So run. I think I want to get some music going. Give me one doing all that. Get some video game music. Ooh, good one. I had it muted. So let's say 0.5. We have to do that. Set enemy action start. I call it like init enemy turn. Or no. flash. I want to put this in exit event queue. Bottom enter. I think really this could be this. Let's do this actually. So if it's our third attempt, or our roll is greater than run chance, and we can maybe do something like run chance equals 0.3 plus run times 0.15. Why not? So I need to look at let me just copy that. But we have to put that as an action. I don't think we need that. Party members have been defeated. Maybe we do want that. It's going to be Also, we have to add that event. How's that work? Maybe, yeah, let's make that an event. And then we'll call this in advanced enemy queue. Advanced event queue, I mean. We also need to clear still getting these double keys. What a crappy keyboard. I even put on in accessibility features, I put like keyboard mounts, accessibility. Keyboard. Frickin' Bing. I think it's all, what, Windows U? See, I put this on. Wait. Yeah, I just have to increase that. That's crazy though. Like, why is that a thing? Anyway. Do that first, actually. Well, actually, it's as easy as this. Clear. We add that. Set enemy actions. We have to make sure that's at the top. Maybe we separate that. I'm gonna do this. Let's do this. Let's just do this. So by default, we're just going to put it at the end, but we want the run to happen first. So we put that. Now I need to find what we're calling that. We're not doing that there anymore. Run away. Or change that. Dude, what a jam. So don't need that. We just want to get out of the battle. Debug. Change this to exit battle. Yeah. That should be fine. And then nice. Why are we? Gotta trace that. So from is an enemy. State 2 is player deciding. No? this. That should be fine. I don't really get this, but let's see if it's possible I broke it completely, not just for running. Let's see. These all look fine, except that broke. So that all looks okay. There might be a hiccup in here somewhere. Maybe we could just run a check like Oops, when I hit insert or something? Looks good. I think that'll work. It might. Might actually need to check that in battle when we advance, not advanced menu level, but we can do. That should be a good fix for that. Back to running away. What? Let's go back to. It's like it's trying to run events for all the players. Let's print that instead. We can call this down here for now. Although no. That looks good. I don't know why that's happening again. That's wrong. That should be at the front. Well, no, we're adding it last. I think when we call this, we can print. Actually, when we do. Oh. Oops. That here. Should fix that. Okay, at least we're getting that text. Oh, we forgot to call exit battle. So it's still messing up. I don't know why. See, it's trying to call it twice. I don't know why. I'm gonna put print here. I'm also gonna do that here. Oh, that's here. So that's in the options. What the heck? For some reason. Oh, I think I know why. Defend. So I'm not clearing focus on this. So we can just do like get focus. Yep, we're good now. So what was happening was when I hit run, we were not clearing that focus. So every time I would hit run, it would try and set new enemy actions. So, yep. And I'll add a little delay on that. So I want to see us fail so I can test that. Oh man, we've got great luck. Okay, what is going on there is it's possible that we have to go to here. Let's see what's going on here. I have a feeling run attempts is maybe not resetting. Let's see what happens. Okay, no. Alright, so then we go through. That looks great. Let's try running again. Are we succeeded? I want to see if it's resetting here. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. We were just getting really lucky. Oh no, I have it backwards, that's why. That's why. Okay, so run chance. Yeah. Do that. We can stop printing the from. Yeah, so just that, that. And I think it print up here. We have other. That's fine. Keep that for later. What do we have? Shadowed Vero. I had a feeling. So we have to do that. All right, cool. The one last thing I want to do, well, not last, but regarding running, we advance the enemy queue. We want, I might even do this. It kind of makes it look nice. Just so this is gonna minimize. We have we just want to yield. Actually, I want to do this either way. Oh yeah, I wanted the battle to run on its own. So you just, like, once all of your inputs are put in, or you could say inputted, it'll just run through. We can increase that timer. So instead of, we're just going to get rid of that. It's going to be return. I'm not using it right now. I think it's going to be better if we do this. Pass. Okay. So now we're going to be dependent on timers in advanced enemy queue. Do that. I might change it to be like Dragon Quest, where it'll say like, you know, from attacks, right? And then it prints out the damage after the hit lands. So we could do that, but for now we're just going to use these. I think this is going to be just a brief one. I'm also going to, excuse me, I have to multiply these by like a tech speed option or a battle speed option. I'll do that. Something like that. Spell, we do the same thing. We're already doing that, so that's fine. Run away. Already have that timer. Need to play run sound here. And we do want to yield just a little bit, like, and I don't even know if that's still a thing in my code. Is it? Yeah, cool. So those timers should be good to go. We can test that out in a second, but I want to get the run sound. Let's see. So I can run away. Let's turn off my music for a sec. Everything good? We're up. Good. I'm gonna turn this on for a bit. These are just individual, so that's not going to work. Maybe in here. Okay. Oh. Jeez. All right, so we're gonna have to download one, I think. We're gonna do. So let's try that and get all this off. Oops. Okay. Ugh, it works, but oh man, that was awful. I think this is what I already have. We're gonna go. I don't know. Try it. Let's see. Root hit damage. This might be good. Really? Why can't you just upload a zip? I'll check these out though. Really, I can't find. That's just going to show me games, I think. There we go. That's the ticket. All right, that license works with me for my uses. So we're going to open this. Just drag that bad boy right into our sounds. We can clean that up. Let's check these out. That's pretty good. That's interesting. Those are kind of cool. I feel like I've heard these before. I think these are just repurposed. Anyway, we're gonna do. Let me just duplicate. Why not? It's gonna be. So close these up. They run sound here. Well, that's we need run attempt sound maybe. Maybe like so like that. Default event sound. Okay. Copy that. It's gonna be. What are we getting held up on? Uh-oh. Can't have copyright issues. Okay, didn't hear that sound. I don't know why we're not hearing that. Maybe it's just so quiet. Let's turn this off. We get locked up if we fail. I don't get that. How else we do that? So we're not advancing the queue. Oh, because we're dependent on the key. I'm gonna do that. I don't know if we need that, but keep that there for now. Okay, he's a little too fast. Okay. Exit that code. I think exit battle. We want to make sure we do that to go through the menu. Actually, I don't even know if we need that there. A little bit more of a delay on the attack. So right now I'm just going to focus on the timing of the battle. I really like that you don't have to do any controller inputs. It's just running on its own now. So we're going to delay maybe 75% of a second. Guard needs more of a wait. Like what we're gonna do is actions. So we can have a default time there. Or we might want to call it like default time. So here, might even want to make this a node, a timer node. Should be fine. Should be fine. That's pretty good. Something we want that there too. We might have like and go back down here. Let's just oops, we're gonna do anywhere else I'm using that? I don't think so. Yeah, right here. So I think we are just going to make that a timer within the scene. No, I take it back. Now I'm angry. You slimes are gonna get it. Let's heal llama. Some snowballs. Looks like we froze up. Something to do with the effects, I think. I think we want that. We're locking up when they get defeated. So we're getting there. I think we're playing that. If 2 is friendly. Get rid of that. Advanced event queue. At the top of that. Let's see. Alright, so we are just locking up when we defeat the enemy. Or I guess when anyone's defeated. Oh. I see. So if it is game over victory, we call that in return. Otherwise, we want to keep the queue going. This should work. I think this is going to be... Maybe I don't have a set victory. Actually. Level. Text. Advance event queue. The timing is jacked up here. Do that, but play that sound. So we're moving too fast. Yeah, the spells just fly. They fly. We gotta slow them down. Oh, because I don't have any delays in here. I'm gonna do that. Then we're gonna play it. We're gonna wait until the hit frame. We're gonna apply it. Stability. We might actually So we really need hit effects. Hit downstream. Play. This up here. You can actually call that up there. If play attack sound. You need a yield down here. And we need spell sounds. And it's going to be, just duplicate that. That should be good. Hit defend spell. I don't know if I have any kind of magic sounds. You can use that for now. So Cool. And then I need to print that arrow. And maybe the default sound. That looks good. Cool. Okay, that's not working right. I don't know how we got up there. Try reloading. That seems fine. Let's see. Can we attack ourselves? I think I want to be able to do that. We also want that. Do that there. And we press this, we're going to do that. Now we can attack the party members. So Llama's going to wipe Chris out. And you're going to, let's see if the timing will work to revive Chris. I think Mama's going to be too fast, yeah. And we don't have, I think that's, so we don't have the anim name. We're going to and earn. Llama, you're going to take yourself out. And you'll defend. All right, that works. So Tofu, you're going to revive Llama. Let's see if that works. But it went to green slime. and that crashed the game, or something froze up. Or maybe revive just isn't. It's not gonna work in here. Maybe. One thing I know. This needs to be short. So we have to figure out why revive isn't working. All right, I think that's pretty good for today. I'll make a little note. Fade effects, we have to check that, and check if